Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I put on the mid-spoiler. It's just a gigantic sticker, so I'm not going to put any instructions on how to stick it on. It's just really straightforward. It lines up properly. That's what it looks like, and there you go guys. Upon more closer inspection, I did find that there is a nick here. I'm a bit disappointed, but just leave it as it is and deal with it next time. But for now, that's what it looks like. I kind of like it because it changes the shape of the car. It looks much better, and I was getting a bit annoyed of the egg-looking shape. So from afar, you can see that it changes the shape just a little. Alright guys, so that's just a quick video of this mid-spoiler. If you're interested, the color match looks good. Tape is not bad. Overall, I'm very happy with it. Just that this little nick here, although I try to distract my eye from not looking at it, but it is noticeable. Maybe later in the future I'll either get into something else or maybe I'll fix it up later. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as is. Alright guys.